How to update Instagram messages. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to update Instagram messages. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now what we can do is to head over to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. So since I'm on Android, it is Play Store for me. Then after that, let's search for Instagram. So once you search that, if you see an update button right here, then click on that and update your Instagram app. So if you see an open button, then just means that your Instagram is already updated. So that is the first method that will actually allow you to update the Instagram messages. So the second method is to head over to your Google browser, and as you can see, there's an article right here that can help us update our Instagram messaging to chat with Facebook accounts. So what you can do is to just tap on our profile icon, the three lines, the settings, and then update messaging and click on update. So let's head over to our Instagram, click on our profile icon, click on the three lines up here, click on settings and privacy right there, and then let's scroll down and look for update messaging. However, if this doesn't looks and show up to you, then that just means that there's actually two reasons. So the first reason is you've already clicked on it and it will disappear once you have updated it. Or the second reason is Instagram has currently have a bug that you just need to wait out in order to solve it. Now, if you want to resolve it as soon as possible, then what you can do is click on these three lines again, then click on settings and privacy again, and let's search for help right here, and then click on help, then click on report a problem, click on report a problem again, and let's click on include and continue, and just type in your something, please update the messaging on my Instagram, and click on send right there, and in 3 to 5 days Instagram will reach out to you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to update Instagram messages. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.